If you scatter sand on a metal plate and run a specific sound frequency through it, the sand doesn't just vibrate randomly. It instantly snaps into perfect symmetrical geometry. Modern science calls this cymatics, the study of visible sound. It is undeniable proof that frequency dictates physical form. That vibration creates matter. We now know that everything in the universe has a resonant frequency. The Earth itself vibrates at 7.83 Hertz. Your brain operates on frequencies. But over 3,000 years ago, ancient Indian scholars didn't need modern frequency generators to figure this out. They had already written it down. They claimed that the physical world wasn't made of solid matter at all. It was made of sound. Welcome to Geo Mystic India, where we decode the forgotten science of the ancient world. Today, we are opening the ancient manuals of acoustic engineering. In Western history, we are taught that sound is just a byproduct of movement. But in ancient Indian texts, like the Upanishads and the Vedas, sound is the engine of creation itself. They called this concept Nada Brahma. Translated, it means, the universe is sound. The ancient sages weren't just chanting out of blind faith. They were practicing a highly advanced form of acoustic science. And they built massive machines to amplify it. Look at the ancient temples of India. Places like the Vitala temple in Hampi feature 56 musical pillars carved from solid granite. When tapped, they emit exact musical notes. The inner sanctums of these temples, the Garbhagriha, were not just rooms for idols. They were mathematically designed acoustic resonance chambers. They were built to bounce and amplify specific frequencies to create standing waves. The technology they used to activate these chambers was the human voice. They engineered calculated acoustic codes designed to alter the physical environment. We call them mantras. But what happens if we put these ancient acoustic codes to the test? The most sacred sound in the Vedic tradition is Om, the primordial vibration of the cosmos. As the Mandukya Upanishad declares, Om, it ye tad, aksharam, idam, sarvam. Om, this syllable, is the entire universe. When modern acoustic researchers pass the exact frequency of a chanted Om through a cimatoscope, the water doesn't form a random shape. The sound waves organize the water molecules into intersecting, perfect triangles. It forms the exact shape of the Sri Yantra, one of the oldest and most sacred geometric symbols in ancient India. The sages didn't just draw these symbols from their imagination. They were looking at the physical fingerprint of sound. But this acoustic technology wasn't just designed to alter water or stone. It was designed to alter us. Modern neuroscience has found that chanting specific Sanskrit mantras directly stimulates the vagus nerve, the superhighway of the human nervous system. MRI scans show that this specific frequency instantly deactivates the amygdala, the fear center of the brain, forcing the body into a state of deep cellular repair. And the ancients claimed this phenomenon went far beyond Earth. The Vedas state that the sun itself continuously hums the vibration of Om. For centuries, this was considered a myth, until modern astrophysics developed helioseismology. When NASA recorded the acoustic waves of the sun and sonified the data, they discovered that our star rings like a massive bell, a continuous, low-frequency hum. From the cells in your body, to the geometry of water, to the burning core of the sun, modern science is finally catching up to ancient wisdom. The universe isn't a machine. It's a symphony. To continue uncovering the hidden technologies of the past, subscribe to Geo Mystic India.